Hello my dear student, how are you all? I hope you are well and safe at home. Today I am present of you to take of English and class 1. So my dear student, at first to my class, and I am introducing myself. I am Brahmadripur, a government primary school from Fulbari, Dinaspur, and today's lesson topics subject English at class 1. My dear students, everybody follow me and follow my class. I hope you very enjoy my class today. So what next, my dear student, we are able to say simple words and phrases, recognize both small and capital, write non-cursive and small. So let's singing a song with me. A B C D F G H I J L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Oh dear me, when I learn my ABC. Thank you so much, my dear students. And now look at the screen, look and think. What are you see in the screen? আমি জানি তোমরা খুব সহজে চিনে ফেলেছো. So what they are called, my dear student? Say me what they are called. This is cartoon boss. Look at you, all of you, what they are called. Very interesting. And this is alphabet. Okay, this is alphabet. Today's lesson's topics: alphabet B, a small, a capital B and a small b. Today's lesson we are learn today about capital B and a small b. So my dear student, stay with me and follow my class and look at the screen. Look and listen to the carefully. Look and listen to the carefully. What are you see in the screen? This is very well known to you. This is a ball. This is a football. This is a football. This is a ball. So yes, this is a ball. B-A-L-L. These words starting with capital B. So this is ball. Okay, what's next? This is dancing B. This is dancing B and this is capital letter. This is capital letter. Okay, this is a golden B and this is a small letter. Yeah, this is a colorful B, capital B and a small b. So pronunciate the letter with me. All of you are very carefully pronunciate the letter with me. This is B. This is B. This is a small b. Say with me, B. B. Okay. My dear student, thank you for your trying. Look, listen and say. This is a bee with baby. This is a bee with a small baby. This is a colorful bee and colorful ball. খুব সুন্দর তাই না বন্ধুরা? This is a colorful bee and colorful ball. Okay, my dear student, look, listen and say with me. Bee, bee, ball, ball. B for ball. B for ball. Okay, now look, listen and say and press in the ear. This is a colorful ear, big B. Okay, so how we write B? At first we are trying to trace in the ear. Okay, প্রথমে এইভাবে দিবা একটা লাইন, তারপর এইভাবে লেখার চেষ্টা করবা। তাহলে চলো আমরা স্ক্রিনে একবার দেখি। এই যে দেখো এখান থেকে শুরু হয়েছে, এই যে খুব সোজা তাই না বন্ধুরা? আশা করি খুবই সহজে তোমরা এটা লিখতে পারবে। So what's next? Look, listen and say, my dear student, this is a bee, a small bee, and this is a bat. This is a bat. I know all of you are very popular to you this bat, cricket bat, and fond of to play this cricket. All of you, I know, and thank you. It's very well known pick for you. This is a small bee, and this is bat. B for bat. B for bat. My dear student, say with me. B for bat. Thank you. And what's next? This is also a small bee, and we are trying to trace in the ear this is small bee. Okay, so at first up to bottom and round, this is B. So we are trying in the screen, এই যে এখান থেকে এখানে শুরু, এইভাবে। অবশ্যই তোমরা খাতায় চেষ্টা করবে সুন্দর করে। Okay, my dear students, then what's next? Open at page 7. Open at page 7 and look and listen. Look at the carefully at your book. This is capital B, small b, ball. Yes, this is B. Everybody writing the small and capital B in your handwriting khata. Okay, so my dear students, what's next? This is 6 box and this is B, ball, bat. Okay, now loud reading by the teacher. তোমরা আমার সাথে জোরে জোরে পড়বা। B for ball, ball. B for ball, ball. B for bat, bat. B for ball, ball. B for bat, bat. Everybody say with me. B for ball, ball. B for bat, bat. Thank you for your trying, and thank you so much. Stay with me. Now, my dear student, match the picture with the letters. This is a small and capital B, and this is bat and ball. Okay. So now match the letter with B for ball and B for bat. Yes, this is correct. Okay, my dear student, what next? So, say and read and trace and write. সবাই তোমার খাতায় এইভাবে সুন্দর করে ক্যাপিটাল এন্ড স্মল লেটারটা প্র্যাকটিস করবে, ওকে? And also trying to fill in the blanks with B. Ball, B ball, B bat, B bat. So look at the solve of the problem. Yes, this is right. Capital B, small b and small b. Okay, my dear student, now write non-cursive small letter B, non-cursive small letter B. And I know all of you are very good baby, okay? And always listen to your teacher and listen to your elder sisters, brothers and your parents. So I know তোমরা এটা সুন্দরভাবে হোমওয়ার্কটা এই লেখা কার্সিভ স্মল লেটারটা খাতায় লিখবে ভালোভাবে, বড়দেরকে অবশ্যই বাসায় দেখাবে। So no more today, my student. Thank you for stay with me and enjoy the class alphabet B. So everybody keep safe yourself and stay home safe, and always very good wishes to you, all of you. Now goodbye and thank you and tata.